It's a remix.
Yeah, it's a remix. It seems like on the phone with them fun. Who rubbed me out? Who rubbed me out, lady? Lady C.
Let me see.
Lady C, you know for them can't rub me. Send me out.
Send the request, Lady C. Send the request.
Me want you. Listen, you know say post me now give a fuck when none of them junk on your IG was say about me. Them can't rub
send
me.
the request. Come in know with
Cash screen, them a rub you out. Them can't rub all them Bloodclot one. I don't give a fuck. Every day them get up and call my name. So if me want come and post live and speak my Bloodclot, man, they can't do that after them can't program me and stop my mouth. Them no name Marva, God and Marva push up my Bloodclot face and
you know see the request. Not sure add the request not add it from the group. You can't send it now add from there, send me no what to it, Lady C. Let me see.
Lady say cash screen them around. They can't rub me. I don't give a fuck what they want to talk. I be I am fucking.
Today on Monday, festive Monday. One go on Pepe.
Look how much time over here. Look how much time over here.
Momo to Nuff, make fucker. Of course, she too bad mind.
Body cash screen over
Me call her name. Me call her name. She just love call my name. And that's how the only time them. That's how the only Bloodclot time them put you on YouTube, girl. And when you call cash screen.
With a mix up selfie. Oh man, I chat about time man and I in-laws. They come with a.
You hear that? You hear them just love call my Bloodclot. And she can't rub me. With her big stinking mouth, she shape like man.
Momo man. You fuck Momo man. Palm Beach and because them.
But who that?
You have to come down. You have to Bloodclot come down. Where you come over here with a man problem, so lady? You know how
that you right now about me fuck. Me never fuck no boy.
Don't play because the car make. Where you come over here?
Unless him fuck and suck up my damn period out of my crutches, dirty boy.
Come over here, your blood.
Me a look friend. Put your slow. You see she say me a look friend.
Don't call me Bloodclot friend.
Lady C.
Bloodclot you're out of Bloodclot.
Why should I go buy a Bloodclot then? Why should I go get to chat about Bloodclot? Chat about Bloodclot me? You know me I do me and near my good of breakfast and go on my Bloodclot radio station. I'm here my good man still Bloodclot there. So that stinking big mouth straight like a Bloodclot man and our feet matty and go sit up. With our big mouth. I'm going to lie to talk about my mother. She got lie about fear mother was a bad mother. Let's put out my radio. No, she want to go back to radio. See all the years we are doing this. You want to be me. You are so pussy that want to suck out all of my crutches. And show me an lesson on our awareness. No, but that giant, her face look like man. She look like Bloodclot, a transvestite. My pussy good. Come here, my man still there. Pussy girl forget things, that's why she bad mind. Can you cut that off, please? Come here over here peaceful. It's Monday, and I don't give a fuck. She just want my name for cause she can't go for YouTube. Do my hair always do that. We shot to put in braids. Bloodclot, girl, you drive Uber to go put braids in your ear.
Marie, Saxidella.
I'll be Amazon clothes that Bloodclot here. You know, see me go eat Mr. Cat Williams at $200. I buy my Bloodclot dress for Amazon $25 for here. Go with the other man party and I have on the Amazon white dress. Amazon about the dress for about 4 Bloodclot years. 4 Bloodclot years at Amazon about the dress there. Please. Lady C, can you please take that down and turn it down, please? Because you not have a live over here, please. May I beg you? Puss.
Shut the fuck up when they attack and that my Bloodclot.
I want to see that big mouth, yellow man. Look like fucking, she look like a big long pussy.
Up when I'm talking home.
She look like a big long crutches, big long pussy. You look like a stretch out blood clot crutches. You look like the crutches from porno. Thinking, girl, handicap, Down syndrome. You look for we in the camera. You look like you look for your picnic them, and you look on the camera same time. Girl, more fire, sir. Down syndrome, bitch, you and your 5 personality and your 5 vice feminine. Move fire, sir, with our stinking self. You look like your mouth stern.
Don't fuck with the blood.
You talk about nasty, you got nasty blood clot, girl, every day. You get up and I come here and go up on the road. We never hear you going in the shower yet. We never hear you going in the shower yet, nasty girl. But my butt, but our butt is real. Puss, you right now, but our butt is real. You not share with our money like them. She not even blood clot have thick leg like me and your puss. As a maga blood clot leg with one cuff of her body and then her back big like blood clot gorilla. How bad your bad man can catch me up blood clot good. And blood clot man I take care of me. You and your man walk up Publix. And that's why you're bad man. Your man walk up blood clot Publix. And you have a blood clot bedded fucking fan. Bad man blood clot girl. You look at Jalapy Carey, you come pick me up over the people them club. Move your blood clot. Bad man, yeah, me not no money when me a live better than you. My $8,000 bed, my man never buy it.
Thinking roly-poly, Humpty-Dumpty looking blood clot.
Yeah, me need to come out for this, cause none of them vibe ya. Push.
Blood clot penguin when they up in our eyes.
Who's on the live with her voice on there?
Come off for this blood clot.
Are you having a puss?
That girl wasn't over here when she was
Now come over here, come shut off your big thinking mouth.
I was not involved in pushing in my arguments. You see, that's one of the problem. When you listen to the fuckery, nobody never that chat to push board nothing.
Move your big stinking
I want the big stinking, this good title pussy. Cause you couldn't fuck up my life, dirty girl. Stinking blood clot, nasty girl, but educated. But you drive blood clot over. Why don't you have a corporate job with a blood clot education? But you drive, you and suck pussy ugly dog with a one leg with one bigger than the other. You move on a bumper clot, but suck on a dirty mama. But dig up your mama, go suck out that crusty blood clot crutches. And you're born from a blood clot, dirty mama. You see my blood clot over here with my good man where you go live.
Blood clot,
you just have to
don't call me
who this lady see?
Who call you blood clot? Which friend? Which friend? Puss. Puss. I need to know that you're stinking girl. Don't go suck your mother. This one blood clot. That look like a bomb clot on the side.
I don't even know if somebody this lady see.
Who is that on there?
Blood clot, no dab.
This lady see.
Blood clot, this.
Yeah, you know what I want to blood clot.
Diarrhea about somebody else. Tina Juju pussy. I must see diarrhea talk. I don't lady see shit.
Yeah, me send my pussy because my pussy clean and she want to, so me send it go there. Yeah, stinking girl, you shape like a blood clot, man. You put them tough like you come like a blood clot military man. Move your bomber clot on yourself. I want you want to be like blood clot cash queen. Yeah, me broke on a blood clot, bro. That's why I don't have no bedded. That can't go away. She can't blood clot gone away because she don't have money to go away. She can't have one blood clot wig. This one blood clot wig and filter. Are you on this braid here and this one blood clot curly wig? Are your Amazon blood clot clothes? Me broke but me wear name brand. How is that? Me broke but me wear name brand. How is that? Me broke but me a try. Me just gonna carry you and come pick me up in a jalopy.
Come rub out the dirty hole for free. And that's if the blood clot though.
And what cause her? What cause me?
Drama. Morning just blood clot like when you come over here through the blood clot drama. Fuck.
I'm on the show I bring about a diarrhea stubborn. That's a lady trying to involve.
Whose diary? Whose diary?
What heard the diary?
Come off for the come down.
Who named diary?
What you say?
Come down.
Diary, move on, friend.
Move on, Gwen.
So I want to this big nose, big ugly blood clot girl. You can't take up people argument. I want to them boring blood clot people, yeah. Puss.
So you're
Move from your back way. You're boring no blood clot. You don't know about me. You don't even know me. You call me broke bitch. You don't know about me. Diarrhea. Give me diarrhea. Move from here. Ask about diarrhea. You have diarrhea and your blood clot more about diarrhea. You know about nobody. I want to push anyway later, yeah, man. Cause guess what?
You have to come down.
No, go suck your mother, diarrhea. Go suck up your mama. Dirty girl, cause you don't know me. How you feel like somebody where you don't blood clot? No, you're boring bitch. You boring blood clot girl. You're a boring blood clot girl. And my name, I don't want to bust off. Go suck your mother. Stinking girl. You can't cuss people you don't know. You can't take up people argument. Stinking blood clot girl. I bet you don't have a blood clot man for yourself. And don't have a patchy pissing. Because you're boring a blood clot. Over here every day a blood clot watch people business. With your stinking cocktail. On a black and blood clot. On a brown, black, medium, orange. On a move on a blood clot. One and a half big one time and can't get good man. Bomber clot. Dirty girl. Goodbye diarrhea. About diarrhea. Diarrhea your blood clot him. You're full of blood clot shit and boring like. Nobody you can't come down this argue with people you don't know. You can't argue with people. You're coming like shit that run out of your mouth. Shit that run in your mouth and out of your mouth. You need to come off Fort Lauderdale. Mama buy a ticket and shit in your blood clot mouth. And shit by your chest like how big it is. Thinking girl, go suck your mother with your shit up blood clot mouth. But diarrhea, I mean diarrhea. Blood clot, diarrhea. Diarrhea, you know, no lies. You're sad, you take a people problem. Go suck your mother, diarrhea. Diarrhea, go take your shit, go move in a toilet. And bleach your blood clot needing your diarrhea mouth. Diarrhea, about diarrhea. Diarrhea, your pussy, you know, stop suck out the man, them body. So you're going to name yourself Jerry. And diarrhea, you didn't want blood clot, say, when you name yourself. Move your pussy clot, don't want no broke and boring. Yeah, I'm going to cut you this morning for blood clot fun. I'm going to take myself and go on my big blood clot business. Now take me expensive blood clot dog. I'm driving on my BM blood clot over. I'm driving on my big blood clot near the station. I left on a diarrhea blood clot broke pocket. Beat them over your stinking bitch. Well, love clot cash premium. If you don't call me name, you can't eat rice. If you don't call me name, you don't get seasoning and no chicken. If you don't call me name, you no man. I don't see a man.
Where? Do here in a blood clot kitchen. Where? Oh, your cash free. Take off the cash off of your blood clot name and put broke blood clot peasant. Which water you are queen? Your foot big like. Every day I'm saying I Rasta Florida, I buy up the one bag of boot, them I go like you're smart. Where? Dirty old cash queen. Move your blood clot. You can't cost me that this a blood clot profile picture. Yeah. Every day you have plot your own blood clot here. When you come over here for dirty girl. Nasty blood clot, stretch out catches girl. Dirty sada blood clot poor girl. You know go blood clot call my friend name and get where. I wanted a dirty blood clot girl I will walk her skin out her pussy blood clot.
But good man didn't call me, so I have to take a call.
You got a 4-hour live this. So you know it not done here now.
No, it's a go done in a post because I go on my blood clot business and get my business.
No, I'm not talking
If they
to you
want
now.
to
I'm
know
talking
my
live.
blood clot name, that's up to them business. If it make them blood clot money, I feed them blood clot business. I don't care.
I'm not talking live. I'm not talking argument.
Oh, but puss, who have up the vice, really? Who kick you out? The man can't kick me out of my one place. Dirty guy, you know, see me and my man still there. Good. You never see me and my man still there. Good, idiot. You never know, say, good pussy girl, old man. And ambitious girl, old man. All you have is a goat blood clot throat and a rotten blood clot pussy. And man now wants to on a son of bad blood clot. Bad mind of blood clot. Bad mind, moving up pussy, you and your diarrhea blood clot move. Move your shit in your blood clot wall. Man, fuck in your body and push it back in your wall. Shit up wall, girl, come on fire, so you know me? My man just blood clot call me. Go suck your mother, dirty girl. Your mother never push it to her pussy. She She put her through your butt, you all. I through your mama butt where you come from. Shut up, blood clot mouth, girl. I am mother butt you all, your blood clot come out. Cause suck your mother. Yo, let me tell you something. See me when your blood clot see me come and travel. Never find out where you blood clot there, girl. Because let me show you this. Let me show you. Motherfucker, me make a blood clot man box down your blood clot. Keep a thing say mama know me. And you know blood clot know me. I bet you send a man box in your blood clot. I bet you send a man box in your blood clot. When I chop on internet, you got read blood clot, girl, and then you have to box you. When I can't come and start for them, make me see you. Because I kick in your big pussy. I mind if my foot get ketchup in that blood clot. I'm a virgin, them have to pull out my blood clot foot out of your hole. Big one, girl, you're too blood clot bad mind. Mind your one business, diarrhea. 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 Why you don't climb back in your mother body wall? This shit I call you. You need some blood clot bleach in your blood clot wall. Stinking girl. Stinking girl. Stink your bomba clot girl. It's an official young boss. Go suck for your mother too. Go suck the wall on the body girl. Yeah, me suck my blood clot man cocky. Yes. And you see a man want suck him because every minute you not suck on my blood clot man. Turn on the blood clot man. Moving up pussy clot up here, look at front pocket. Look at tired blood clot man with that fuck. Look at dirty blood clot boy. So the dirty boy did have done our blood clot mama. I'ma call her and tell her what the boy did. I say, you want to mix me and the boy. I tell the idiot boy lie, make him come and lie for me. That's like when the mother don't wish you was the queen. I don't wish you that I live my blood clot life. Go suck your dead diarrhea shit. Shit are running and out of your blood clot mouth in your ears. Diarrhea, dirty shit. Alright, shit, bitch. Alright, medium cash queen. Why your name? Shit, blood clot, diarrhea. Go suck yourself. You're boring of blood clot. Boring blood clot, bitch. You're full of shit. Why you come and blood clot yourself? Come on, Florida, I'm kicking on your blood clot body. Hey, stinking shit, bad girl. Come on, Friday, I'm kicking on your blood clot body. And I found a whole dirty stinking bitch. Why come over so go suck your mother? Why you go suck out your mother back? When you did that come out of your mother back to the wall and shit, you should have blood clot on you. But diarrhea. Diarrhea, blood clot, girl. Go move from yourself with that shit up blood clot mouth. I'm customer to that for recreation. I recreation blood clot pussy now. That do it for fun, you look a dirty fuck. Dirty fuck. Dirty fuck. You know nothing about me, dirty fuck. Dirty fuck. What you know about me, bitch? He's a private girl, you don't know nothing about me. What you need to worry about is my blood clot bank account, and my bomber clot account, and my good pussy with woman, and my good pussy with make man marry me, and my good pussy with blood clot business make me accountant.
What kind of education you have?
Blood clot talent.
That's you me forgot.
Bad man thinking, girl. All you have is the internet and blood clot views. That's all the blood clot have. Me, a girl with blood clot substance. You can chat to me, but suck on itself. Dirty, are you a dirty girl? That's when a man the blood clot want you. You're full of blood clot shit. As a man fucking on your body, then pushing on your mouth. Diarrhea, thinking old girl. Dirty girl, a man be pissing on your blood clot.
Your man put you out of your
yeah. Oh, man,
come back. Come back.
Pause. Yeah, you're a fuck my man put me out and me and my man still living at the same place.
No,
my man put me out. I want to see them people here. Them people here really have a life, you know. Yes, you see this? You see them just a chat mix up on our life. You see that?
Sharon still for your man left and now come back. Last Sharon
me and him never left. Me and him never left. Me and my man never left. So I don't know what you're talking about. You're a blood clot idiot. I know you're chat fuckery. That means you don't come from my page. That means you don't know shit about my life. You don't come from my page and see me and my man good same way. I'm mama I did that chat up. You don't tell the boy about him. pussy pan beats when the boy get mad and come tell fuck about chicken and burger when him fucking and some and me did have blood clot calamari and the artist did have fucking chicken nacho. Go suck your mother people business you are. You're a mix up boring bitch one attention. You don't even up on blood clot YouTube a fucking idea come and call him a blood clot named diarrhea. You're a blood clot shit house. Go suck out yo, you need to go in a sucky peg, zooty peg shit house. Yo, your head probably look like blood clot tired, but do my ear. You know, see me do my ear for the month. And when your friend over there wear braids and cheapy and the other one with our one blood clot wig. Why you not talk about that? You talk about me a broke queen, or you not talk about the girl we are different, where we are Amazon every blood clot wig. My girl got suck your mother with your shit out. Your mouth full of diarrhea. Move your bumbo clap fire. Move your pussy clap. Move your pussy clap. You can't rub me because you're not chatting no realness. You're not chatting no reason. You can't rub me. You can't rub me because you chat fuckery. Come on, my man, put me out of my own place with my name depend. Hey, girl, go suck your mother with your dirty diarrhea out there. Yeah, my man, good. That means you need to go up on my page. And you need to see me, I'm a blood clot good up, man. Stinking girl. You need to see the car with me a blood clot job up, bro. You just blood chat on up on the mouth. Come on internet. And I talk blood clot clothes. Come on internet. We put it up already. We put it up already. Me put it up already. Me just man kick me up and show me care. Me done swallow my cry. You can't show him then you're dirty girl.
No, not nice. Defend me, not nice. Please defend me.
Don't call not nice. Cause not nice. Don't finna call my name in the street. Yeah, cause not nice no better. So you bitch. Me go ride on with you blood clot. I'm gonna stay for yes sir. I'll make a man bust on your blood clot. And you will know who cash queen is. Soon you don't know who's cash queen. I bet you make a man kick in your pussy. Then you will find out who the fuck me is. You know what internet, you know, love chat on internet and chat fuck you, don't know people in real life. You never know some is a bad blood clot girl in a real life. Now because you see me, I'm a corporate job. I bet I make a man box you, I'm hear it, you know. I bet I'm gonna hear it. I bet I'm gonna kick down your blood clot. I bet I make a man box down your blood clot. Listen to mama when don't know me. I say if I don't make you know who's cash queen. Why don't you ask motherfuckers that really know me about me? Alright, so bring your blood clot at South Florida. You need me for buy your ticket? Me need you for buy your ticket? Bitch, you need me for buy your blood clot ticket, but me kicking on your hole. Hey, stinking old girl. You need me travel. Me travel, bitch. Me buy your blood clot ticket, but me kicking on your big hole. Come, bitch. We can go in North Carolina. My sister live there, so. My sister live there. Me can come there, so too, bitch. Come, me can travel. Unlike your broke pocket friend, we need people to vote them. For them travel. Or the other one we can't go nowhere because she not a blood clot green card. God suck your mother. The whole of the broke are miserable. You know what miserable and dumping. You need some shark crying on a blood clot wall. You need some blood clot. Frankincense on a blood clot wall. That's when you need some Palo Santo, some meditation on a miserable blood clot. Move your pussy clot from your son. Dirty girl, you know nothing about me?
Cash queen, man, I know argument.
You know nothing about me? Dirty girl. Why the friend them never tell you, say, when them see me have my blood clot money? Why your friend them never tell you the blood clot truth? So me and my man still blood clot dead. Why you never say? Why they never tell you say the worst in my blood clot name? Why they never tell you say my $8,000 bed? Why they never tell you say my blood clot $7,500 coach? Why they never tell you say my picnic them have them own shit in this blood clot? Why they never tell you say my mother have a 4-bedroom she one night? Why they never tell you say my brother have restaurant? Why they never tell you say I will all got them people are my family? Why do they never tell you say I feel fucking nephew dead in my hand? Why they never tell you say we are blood clot sniper? Why they never tell you? You come over here and chat fuckery. You know nothing about me? You know nothing about me?
Yeah,
fucking dirty. You don't know shit. Move your pussy clot. You only know one blood clot in North Carolina. Cause suck your mother, dirty girl. Big dry up wall girl. Shit dry in your blood clot mouth. I would have to make man fuck on our body because the pussy done. Man have to pissing on a blood clot mouth. Cause the pussy done. Big bust you all girl. Big wall. Your body stretch out. Cover your blood clot nose. Stinking diarrhea bitch. Come from us about you know me. What the fuck you know about me? What you know about me?
That's why I'm coming here inbox shot me done. So we can't send
inbox your pussy, stop like me, man. I like blood clot, girl. Go suck your mother. When if you stop blood clot, what talk me like? Go suck yourself. Don't you worrying bitch. Boring bitch. Why you not gonna find your own a blood clot, man? Why you not gonna get your own a blood clot piece? Why? Why you not buy a blood clot bedded? I'm boring your blood clot boring. You look like a fucking man. You look like a blood clot man. Why your body real? Your body not blood clot real. Why you not telling people about your jalopy where you pick me up in her? About me, bro. And your Amazon blood clot clothes, stinking bitch. Yes, suck yourself. You need to come to my spot, you. You're lucky you never come at every party. Can leak me, did I leak down your blood clot? You don't give a fuck. You can't go your blood clot over your man. Who give a fuck? Me sure you that you have blood clot magical word in this bitch. Cause you're punk. You're punk. You're punk. You're punk. You only can chat on blood clot internet. Why not try me in a real life? Why not try me in a real life? Why not try me in a real life? Why, mama, why you don't try me in real life? I see you blood clot catching it. You don't come back and busting on your blood clot. I'm kicking on your blood clot flat body. Why you post picture when your body flat and then I talk about your body real? Eh? Fucking idiot. You don't even know say you did do that. Fucking idiot. Post body when it's flat. And I will post body you shape like a man. You have to see the picture of the people them send me with your maga leg them and your cuff over body and your back teeth like you have one bag of rolling on your back. And you have to never talk about me. Move your pussy clot. You never tell the people say scam my money. Why you not tell the people say scam my money? That's why you can't work with your education. Why you not tell them that? Why you not tell them that's why your account freeze up every minute? Why you not tell them so that's why you're broke in a real life? Why you not tell them so that's why Duff can't go on a blood clot way? Because she broke in a blood clot real life.
Duff can't bro.
Amazon clothes.
Duff can't bro.
I'm full of blood clot. She can suck your mother. But man, you know nothing about my man. Just suck your mother. Go to drug. My man no fuck worrying bitch when I have shit. Move your pussy clot on yourself. I'm a blood clot man you want. Dirty stinking bitch. Shit in your mouth. Shit in your body. The same dirty boy type boy have man. Piss on your blood clot and sell out your blood clot hole. And you want company. This man you want to watch the next damn show. You want to radio? My own blood clot radio. Go suck your mother, dirty girl. Go dig her up and yam her back out. Look who stinking bitch. Anyway, puss, I gotta get ready because I have business to take care of. I got business to take care of. This is enough I will give you. Get go on YouTube. Only go look for mama on YouTube. The only time I see mama on YouTube I will share your screen name. Go look for mama on YouTube. I'll close your blood clot look, y'all. Because y'all a blood clot nobody. Who give a fuck about IG and your diss? I don't give a fuck. In real life you live better than me. Right now in real life you live on better blood clot bed and leather bedded. You're there on your sheet rock wall and your blood clot cheap picture. And that's how you're blood clot bedded. And as I get to diarrhea. Yeah, you can start. I don't give a fuck, and I'm gonna be working, making my money, dirty bitch. I'm gonna be working, making my money while y'all live on my fucking name, and everybody gonna see it already. Say a bad mind, blood clot, girl. Can nobody never come over here and call it? And you love call my fucking name. God suck yourself with your man shaping, insipid, handicapped looking blood clot girl. You know your face, you look like your blood clot. Don't think so. Your eyes are pop blood clot. Go suck your mother. Dig up your mother. Go suck out your mother, battle. What you can say about me? So me I do my fucking thing. Go suck your mother. I never need to scam my money to start my business.
I just tell me to start.
Me never have a blood clot scam my money to do my business, bitch. Me never have to do that. Bitch, you have education and you know blood. Yeah, you want the clout like all you go over flip and try to take that from me. Go suck yourself. Who give a fuck, bitch?
Yeah,
So can I answer you cut off the person that have her on there or them shut it down? Let me
yeah, what kind of what kind of
cash queen one?
That's suck yourself, you don't call me name too much, bitch. Your bad mind of blood clot. Cause you will never fucking be me, whore. Whoring bitch, that's why I can't take up the whole of your blood clot whore. Your pussy stink like. Move your pussy right now, we not gonna worry about that. Move your pussy clot by yourself.
Push add me.
Yeah, no, don't add our pussy. I'm gonna say something to you and then I'm going out with my
okay.
No, she can add you when me come out stinking girl. You must think that kindergarten is. Nobody not care nothing about you. Nobody never call your name Dirty Zero. Dirty Bloodclot Zero. Nobody don't care about your worrying bitch. You are your man who walk up Publix. I'm bad, you bad mind me and my man because we are doing things. God suck yourself, bad mind bitch. You don't think about my mother, you go talk about your mother. You do this every minute you call them style. God suck yourself. More fry yourself with your big old stinking mouth. More fry yourself. You're shaped like a Bloodclot man. You're shaped like a man, bitch. Goodbye, boy. Angles. But put every Bloodclot angle. I'm still look better than you. Me look still up. Me a wear you a big gut you wore. Me a big, even if me did fuck your man, the one man can't turn me no war, bitch. God suck yourself. Why? You guess what? Play with me and see if I do not post. You calling my brethren. Two of them. Two of my blood clot hit of them. You can't call them phone. You love them off and make them screenshot it. So keep fucking with me, Warren bitch.
Yeah, you can't talk.
Yes, Warren bitch. You never know. You never know. You never know some bad people we know. Yeah, you love us for bad people them know, right? If you get some man, I'm a friend, dirty girl. One nigga can't make me no worse stinking bitch.
Where you come from?
Yeah, post it. I did not call your name. I did not call your name.
Problem for woman.
I did not start no problem, dirty bitch.
You did. You came over here. You talk about the blood clot. Girl, let me have the screen.
So why the fuck he can call my name every blood clot here? Who the fuck wrong with you? Who the fuck you think you is? Who the fuck you think you is? Who the got suck on the mouth and the can't tell me what to chat out of my blood clot mouth? Who the can't hold on me? Got suck on a dead blood clot mama. Don't run up and down the mama, block you all. Diarrhea stink. Yo mama, you know say when you see you, no fuck you. Let's tell you right now, say this a past internet. Me I tell you this girl. And you better go ask the real people that will know me. You're going to make fuck up your face so that me a blood clot tell you. Can you keep a fuck with me? I'm going to ignore you from where you are. I tell you that right now. You're going to make me fuck up your blood clot. Now, Stefan, right outside here, boy. That me blood clot tell you. You keep a fuck with me. Keep a fuck with me. Think say you know who's Cash Queen. I think you're not asking the right fucking people. You're right, but you're asking bad mind people about me. You're not asking the right blood clot people about me. You're not asking it, bitch. No, you're asking salvation. Go suck your mother, that you were. I bust me about your blood clot here to see you. Go suck your mother. And you are the wearing bitch over lava. I talk about how much man fucking on your blood clot mouth. I want company. I want to come bring me in your blood clot. Dirty life. God suck your mother, dirty wearing bitch. I bust me about up your blood clot face. You keep on fuck with me. I'm going to show you, bitch, sorry, I'm bad blood clot people in a real bomber clot line. Imagine one of my blood clot hit them. You're going to call my hit a phone. You're going to call my hit a phone. And you say you have a man. You said you have a man. But you call my hit a phone. And you said blood clot thing like you perfect. Bitch, don't let me post it. Don't let me post it. Don't let me post it. Don't let me post it, bitch. Don't let me post it, bitch. Yes, come on, my friend, them name. Are you there run on the blood clot friend? Yes, and that is recently. And that is recently, bitch. That is recently. That is recently Warren girl. Warren girl that go like she perfect. Warren stinking shit, man. Shape like a blood clot, man. Stinking bitch. Go buy your blood clot bed with your income tax. Yes, it's that with her one leg bigger than the other and her body flat. That's suck on the mother. She have to put on filter every blood clot with a one bomber clot wig. That's one of bomber clot bad mind me. I want me tick no fuck. I want me belly run up. Me sexy the blood clot. Stop yourself. Don't you worrying, bitch.
Now add from the salt.
Can I please? Pause. Yeah, bitch. Whatever. Tell the people why you educate and you drive Uber. Not because you want to drive Uber, because you fucking scam and you have a bad fucking name in the system. My stepmother done look you up, criminal bitch. So when you're there, I come for blood clot because we live blood clot life. You want to come style. Go suck your mother. Go dig up your dead mama. I go suck up and dig up under your mama blood clot. You never know somebody bad girl like that. Hey girl, now bust up your face, me I tell you that, I promise you. I promise you. I mean, I come out and me bust in your face. I mean, go to New York and bust in your blood clot. And that stinking dog, don't know somebody, I mean, tell them a New Haven and Bridgeport can leak out our blood clot. So they come. Fuck with me and things are internet not create. Fuck with me and things are internet. You see from you come on my yard, my doorstep, mama. You see from you come on my doorstep, anything fucking goes. You want to try to fuck with me and my blood clot? Go suck your mother. Leave up your dirty worrying crackhead blood clot, mama, and go dip up under a blood clot. That me tell you stinking bitch. You can go your obium and all your blood clot one. You still have a miserable and you all a rat nut and stink no blood clot. Move your pussy clot for your look a dirty stinking bitch. I wonder where them chat there for a long time. I'm not even care man. And the man here from the internet. That's stop what you dead chunk. Cricket blood clot, mama, dirty girl. Since you think you know a blood clot, who you talk to? I go show you. Since you think the internet your blood clot. No, if you know the watch list. On a good place, on a go and tell me clap up. Alright, girl, don't worry. I'm going to do you like back in the day with a blood clot locked in my blood clot sack. I'm going to beat out your teeth then. You chat too much. Fucking chatterbox. Dirty stinking girl. You chat too blood clot, man. Every time you see the people them in them relationship, you have to dip in it. Dip out mama pussy all in your mama bat you all. Cause she's full of shit. Dirty stinking worrying bitch. Those people like they want blood clot worry about. Hey, girl, I'm busting out your blood clot. Why you not ask Sheba I'm box up her blood clot and put her to my house? Eh? Why you never make her tell you that I ain't never buy the blood clot like that? Since you think you know who the fuck you talking to. Since you think you know who you talking to, mama, this ain't no regular fucking internet. Me see you on earth, yo. And I'm not telling you, I'm not give a fuck what you want. Record it, blood clot. Me see I'm boxed down your blood clot. And that's a dog fucking know. Go suck your mother. Dig up your damn mama. Go dig up your dead cracking mama. Go up underneath her butt, you all. Love me. Maybe not ignore your bitch. Me ignore your bitch. We can't suck one when a blood clot dead a shit up all girl. Man fucking her body and put in her pussy. And fucking her mouth and suck up your own shit. Suck me, bitch. Go suck your mother. Go suck your dead mama, bitch. I'm tired down now. And if my man want vex about this, I don't give a fuck. Not long time if I done in a blood clot. Leave me alone, dirty, stinking, bad mind, bitch. Because you don't have shit. Or you to be in your 30s and don't have a bedded. From your 20 blood clot, never bedded. And from that day, the army always have a blood clot bedded. Because suck your dirty woman never teach you good. It's an independent woman. Why you think some man can't put me on? My name there upon this blood clot either, girl.
Put your out, cash queen. Talk it truth. Put your out.
Put me out of where? You never see me number one a place. Stinking jack.
So why did you fuck mama ex-man when to come?
I did not fuck mama ex-man. And mama tell him lie, make him tell lie. Because the next day I was at work. Dumb bitch. Unless him suck and fuck me for my pair stinking. Is that diarrhea the mouth? Why you not gonna move and go sit down? This is your business. Nobody know you. Nobody ever hear about you, girl. Why you not gonna mind your business, stinking word, girl? You carry news to mama and carry my blood clot him and nobody never even call up our stinking rhinoceros blood clot him. Big look like a fucking hippopon. You're moving a pussy clap out on an ugly in a blood clot. Un ugly and shit, man. You need bleach and blood clot, plastic surgery. So blood clot get, man. I want you to put the pussy on the man and nasty. That's suck on the mother. You wish my man put me out, you dumb bitch, out of my own shit. You dumb fuck.
Okay,
You dumb fuck. You dumb fuck. You dumb fuck. You wish, you dumb fuck. All you did was make me and my man closer. You dumb fuck. Fucking dumb, dummy bitches. You boring ass bitches that niggas don't want. You think a nigga want a bitch that's walking around worrying about other fucking people? Got sucked in a mother. Diarrhea, the blood clot, more dirty, stinking bitch them. On a fucking pussy white underneath like cottage cheese. And if I name it with blood clot fruit, I clean up on a life. Got sucked on a blood clot, mother. Well, leave me alone. Dig up on a blood clot, over your bone, and over your blood clot. Everybody done already, make on no say, when it's jealous of me. People done inbox me already. God suck your mother, dirty bitch. Since you asked for Sheba, when you ask her, on me boxed on her blood clot, and beat up her blood clot outside of my... Yeah, when I really don't know what I deal with, when I think of the Twitter fucking fingers. God suck your mother. I box me, I box up your blood clot.
Guys, I see my attack.
Yes, I box on her blood clot, ask her. Yes, I did. I put that bitch on my house. And they had to fucking hide the knives, bitch. Yes. That's a fact. Facts are life. I'm a pick me life. So, on the thing couldn't know that blood clot name with every minute I call it my blood clot name. Call it my blood clot name. Mama go bust out the whole of your teeth them. I got me a blood clot, tell you. You're lucky you never come at Epic party. Come and tell Epic already, say, I'm a Timberland and my hoodie minute coming out. I'm a Timberland and my blood clot hoodie minute coming out. And everybody at South Florida know when me walk with my blood clot Timberland and my blood clot hoodie and my ear pull out in a brave bitch. Yes, can box down your blood clot to a kick. No, mama, you need somebody mash out your teeth and your chest to your blood clot. Yeah, your chest. Yeah, nobody care, whatever. You talk about gun. Yo, just make sure you drive everywhere you go with your gun. Because if you come on the plane without your shit, my mama tell you I'm gonna fuck you up.
The crash queen. My Sheba really make your backside.
Yeah, because she disrespectful and trying me in my house, I'm going to put her out. So, if you don't really want to feel, that's why she posts on her page if you want to go down the history of the bad girl. Yes! Ask anybody white planes go about me on Valentine. I'm going to try the wrong bitch. In a real life, me, I'll see on her box. Not nice enough to call me name again. Can get theme page. Just so you know. So I keep a fuck with me. And that nice tell Bob already. Come here and tell her. Me hear him tell her. Wayne Floss. R.I.P. Wayne Floss. R.I.P. my dog. Come my dog, don't tell them already in South Florida. Cash can have our bad mind friend them for you. So, on the feel like say, I mean a bad girl to me see and box you. Me not to send nobody, me box in my blood clot. God suck your mother, that's you worrying girl. On the love come on internet and fuck with people. Me tell you already, sir. On the love fuck with people and you know say people will reach, you know. And that's on the problem. On the come on internet and like start the fuckery. And I know say people will touch you on a real life.
If more ex-man, you make them page him, and I tell
you look at this mix-up, bitch. You know, say you're full of blood clot shit. Why you not gonna sit down with your diarrhea in your blood clot ears? You're deaf? Are you fucking deaf? Shit down in your blood clot ears to girl. You're deaf? Are you blood clot deaf? Are you blood clot deaf? You're deaf? Shit in your ears to be. Yes, me a big one girl, I'm whole by blood clot, man. I wanna know. Bring whatever proof you not try bring. Fuck you in a blood clot chart. Mr. Bo, me over here, and me just tell my girl say, don't make nobody get in them relationship because same way them try me. Me never call up no blood clot girl name. But mama have a so-called fake friend who want the problem because she like the mix up. So go over there, go tell her, say me I call her name and I never call her name. Puss, did I call that bitch name?
Puss can't answer your blood clot. I think Puss is fuck out, girl.
Yeah, me a fuck out, girl. Your ears fuck out. Your pussy and your body don't try your ears. Them are good. That's why you can't hear. You too blood clot there. Every word can you stretch out of your big nose. Move your pussy clot from your so dirty stinking girl. Move from your so. Move from your so stinking bitch them. With a bad mind. But me broke. Oh, me broke. You see the equipment in my blood clot studio. And a 2-room. It's not in my house, dirty bitch. It's not in my house.
And then me said, the boy come talk it.
Well, you shouldn't follow him, because nobody never called nobody Bloodclot.
That's why we are asked to consent. Fuck you. He promised a laptop, Apple laptop.
He never promised no Bloodclot laptop. I'm talking about my fucking Android. He might talk about my Android. I'm going to tell him if he have a problem with it, buy me one.
But the man did up on the live. Why?
Bitch, you know what laptop me just buy from where they are putting on my radio station, dumb idiot? Why the fuck would I need some next nigga to buy me my shit and my man have money, fucking idiot? You don't sit up on internet and listen to people fuckery.
But Cash Queen, I want white fridge.
Why the fucking, first of all, why you not ask the boy why he lie about the food? Him don't even eat meat. Why you never, him don't eat meat, him buy salmon. Him don't eat meat, him eat salmon, and I told him I wasn't hungry, so I bought calamari. Why you never tell us that when we stop at the first place, we buy him and him virgin drink? With me, bro, why you never tell you no that? Since you don't love people argument. Since you don't love the fuck and him like, you know why accept the lies them? Because I wish a bitch like me was a whore like you know.
Yes, Queen, why you always a braid ear in your kitchen? Why you not got ear just...
Which ear in the kitchen got suck your mother? You ever see me do no ear, you fucking liar, girl. You's a fucking liar, bitch. My ear never doing in my kitchen, you stinking word. You ever see how big my house is? You ever see how big my fucking house is, you dumb bitch? Never one fucking corner for nails I ear. You fucking dumb bitch. I'm a hairdresser, never one corner for that. God suck your mother, you can't lie for me. God suck your mother, dirty diarrhea. You can't lie for me. You ever see my place? You ever see my place? Never me do hearing I'm a Bloodclot bathroom stinking bitch. Hearing I'm a Bloodclot bathroom stinking bitch. Any kitchen could have that small, you dumb fuck? Which kitchen could have that small, you dumb fuck? You fucking retarded bitch. You don't got nothing to say, you bum bitch. Cause you mad in real life, I'm educated, you dumb bitch. You got dumb bitch over there tell you that I go live when I'm at...
no money, say, two are we educated. Show me your house. Show me your house. Can you claim say you don't have white fridge? I know me see the white fridge, the one door white fridge. So show me your house.
What I have to do with my... You ever see me I do here in my kitchen, you stupid bitch?
Yes, I did. I saw you braiding your hair the day when...
You too fucking lie. You see me do me here in my bathroom, you dirty bitch.
No.
My kids, I'm going to tell you, they can't even come in my kitchen with here.
I'm my kitchen.
So you're a fucking liar. Don't fuck yourself.
Show me your house. Can you see
Why? Why? You too Bloodclot bad mind. Everybody don't see them a place already. I have none for proof to you stinking wearing girl. You're fucking obsessed. You both of you are fucking obsessed with my life. That's your problem. That's why y'all sit up on my name every Bloodclot there. And the one time I go talk about you, no one come. That suck and dip on a crackhead Bloodclot mama. That me I tell you.
Tell her to stop calling my friend Mia, man. That's all.
Yo, go suck yourself. Nobody never call on a name. I know me I call on a Bloodclot name.
Whose house look better than your house? Mama house look better than your house.
Mama house look better. She done a bedded. She done a bedded. You never see her dirty kitchen when she did a cook. But her house look better. You know Bloodclot know my house.
All right, show me your one then.
My Bloodclot. I'm not showing you, you dirty bitch. You don't deserve that. You don't deserve that. Everybody that know me know how my shit look. Go suck your mother. Go suck your mother. You're not seeing my shit. You're not seeing it now. Go fuck you. Go suck yourself. Mama done see me in my bed already. The whole IG done see me in my big Bloodclot bed already. The whole place done see me in my expensive leather in my big living room. The whole world don't see it already. But you never see it. Go suck your mother. I'm why you want to know my business, not you want. That you are why you want to know my business, dirty stinking bitch. That's that, yes, dirty word. That's fucking on your butt you all. Not because mama don't know your business yet, because she soon put you out like she do everybody. And you can't watch the video tell them what to her. Yeah. Yeah, go suck your mother. You take up people problem, look a dirty idiot. You're staying in North Carolina, you hear? Stay in North Carolina, you hear? Can never find out who you is. You stay in North Carolina. Never show yourself to lead people per internet. Never show them. Never show yourself people can't touch in a Bloodclot life. Also, mama, you don't chat. I tell them bust up your mouth.
Inbox Cash Queen, me send you everything.
Yeah, all right, bitch. Whatever. You don't obsessed, bitch. Yes, then come to South Florida and come to Parkland and come. Mama, throw piss by your Bloodclot. Why you want to see my house? Everybody done see my house already. I done been on live. I spread my Bloodclot big bed. That's such a mother dirty girl.
Queen, I'm not talking to you for a second. Hold on. Nasty blood clot shut up back everywhere on the jumping. I'm not going out.
Son of you, where you over here? You did deny it? Where you did come from with mama and me and dad? Honestly, where you come from?
All right, catch him. I'm telling you.
Where the blood clot you come from? Is a blood clot. Where you come from? Where you come from? Where you come? You coming like blood clot, dry up, John Japan blood clot bread. Where you come from? You just build up. You just build up yourself on the blood clot bread. You're Jonjo. You're blood clot Jonjo. You just where you come from? You just green blood clot Jonjo. Where you come from? You just growing at this blood clot. Where you growing at this? How you find yourself grow over yourself? That me want to touch your pussy. True, you don't know me and you don't know say I go live in my house all the time. True, you don't know me. You just run your blood clot out. Them forget to tell you something man never put. Them forget to tell you say I'm my name in my place. Them forget to tell you say I'm me buy my furniture. Them forget to tell you say I years yeah word. Them forget to tell you that. Oh, them forget to tell you that. Oh, they forgot to tell you I do accounting. Oh, they forgot to tell you that I own my own shit. Oh, they forgot. You chat too much and in a people business. Come on. Go sit down. You're coming like John Japan bread. You're coming like John Japan blood clot bread. Where you come from? You're just growing at this. You, where you come from? Green Jonjo with the fur upon it. You're coming like John. Talk your pussy, go suck your mother. I'm here pushed over you. Where you come from? I'm here pushed over your stinking bitch. Me nasty. You know me nasty because me sit on me nasty pussy on your face. Me sit on me nasty pussy on your face. That's all you know. That's all you know. Because me take my pussy and rub from your furry gun under your blood clot thing. That's all you know. I'm let my pussy stain on your bomber clot face. So every day your blood clot smell me, bitch. But you know. How the fuck you know about me? Because suck your mother. That you wearing, bitch. Ugly blood clot shape, big belly, bitch. Leave alone me. Look, my fridge are empty. Okay, I guess you know. So you're psychic. Oh, you're psychic, bitch. Oh, all of a sudden you're a psychic fucking whore.
Me meet my match. You don't know me already. You don't know my mouth full of but that's how me talk.
So you know, quiet, me stay and make them bitch chat me name every day. I know me I try to push and they want to come for me and when them lick for my blood clot name. Who the fuck is them? You can't tell me to stop blood clot talk. Me tell you to stop talk. When me hear mama every blood clot there, over there call her my bum my clot name. She see me go live and tell her if don't call me name. She chat what the fuck she want chat. You got suck yourself and you can't program me. You cannot program me, go suck your mother.
Yeah, loud.
You can't, you hear me loud and clear, stinking bitch. Loud and clear, yes, me boring with my good blood clot life. Bye. Yes, me boring and stable. Yes, in my own shit, well, my own business, I'm my own education, yeah, my own I pick them not all over the place. Me pick them not take up. After them take off of school, them go to school, them are A student, them intelligent, them are pretty decent blood clot picnic. I'm have a decent mama never walk and fuck down the place. My mama work every day in her life and own about 2 hours in New York. We come from decent blood clot home. Since you want to know about me, go suck your mother diarrhea. Them tell you lie and you believe it. You fucking idiot. Fucking idiot. Look how you gonna get yourself caught up in a blood clot problem because you're in a people business. More from you, so you're coming like Jonjo. When you're growing at this, you just Jonjo up your blood clot self in this. Go suck yourself, diarrhea. Alright, diarrhea the mouth. Shit up blood clot, yeah. More from you, so you need to come off. Need it over you, so come on.
Oh my God, I got a migraine.
Yes, because you love people problem too much. Because you love people blood clot problem. Show me loud mama with your handicap Down syndrome blood clot face. You're more big no blood clot. Who louder than you? Who louder than you stinking wearing girl? A fucking 5 cocky you can take in that them up for real. What the fuck? Did this dumb bitch just say that? I guess she never really went on my page. People, is she for real? Yeah, I'm a fat and shit, blood clot, good, I'm a pretty as fuck. Yes, I'm a one of money. I'm a one of man. I'm a one of bedded. I'm a one of place, thinking bitch. Yes, I'm a fat. Yes, with my lumps. Me have good blood clot, yeah. Me have good food. Me not name burger road, that's number 1. I mean, I name chicken. My daughter tell you that per life. Your daughter tell you that per life. Number 1. Number 2, you're mad. Yes, this fat bitch. got her fucking money. Yes. Yes, this fat bitch got her own man. And her man that work at Publix and him not broke. Yes, this fat bitch. This same fat bitch where you talk about. Yes, me, same one diarrhea. You what can't wear blood clot, man. Where you where you fuck with my man? Where your man there? Where your blood clot man there, girl? Where your man there? Where your blood clot man there?
Where you one day? Cause the last me check all I do I walk and give you.
Cause shut the fuck up about walk. You know when my blood clot walk? You don't even know when I leave my blood clot house. Dirty stinking bitch. We don't come on the internet and pretend like on a blood clot no people. God suck your mad that dirty world. You live in an imaginary world. How the fuck you know what I'm doing over here, you dumb fuck? You think it's a joke because you're a fucking diarrhea bitch. You're a fucking low-life bitch. Come on the internet. Follow fucking people like Momo. Listen to the pastor. Take it up for your blood clot head. And I'll go like a fucking idiot while your life is spoiled. Why you worry about my life? For go suck yourself. Worry about the food in your fridge. Why you not going to worry about your blood clot, bedhead? Why you not going to worry about your blood clot, man? Why you not going to worry about you're not even have a business, so anyway. What?
This woman says she beat up Sheba.
I did.
This woman says she beat up Sheba.
Yeah, I did. You're laughing. I did. And she better not finna go like me have secret fear, even though I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. And I'm saying that with a serious fucking face. Yeah, because I think you really don't know me, bitch. You really don't know who you're talking to. You don't know who you're talking to. You really don't know. Oh, you keep on talking about my man, bitch. You want fuck my man? Just tell me. You want fuck him? When me make him shove him out in your mouth. Me make him shove him out in your mouth for your girl. You understand? My man no can't fuck you. Me make him shove him out down your blood clot short. Since you love him so much, you keep a talk about him.
So why you cuss Momo in the comments or your black car?
Which comments? Why would I be in the fucking comments?
No, but
I've not even paid that bitch no mind.
Black car and black car.
No, the one of them for black. Every page my black, me don't want to see them. What the fuck me for see them for? Me look like you were obsessed with people. Me look you were obsessed with people. Do I look like you that's obsessed with people?
Why you have a cuss Momo when the man come bring her down?
No, because she carry my name and tell the man fuck it. Yes, she did, stinking bitch. I guess you didn't watch it from the beginning. And she come and flip live and try to take a piece from her head and allow Dirty Dad to come up there and tell live on me. I'm lying, but suck your mother, junk girl. Listen, dunk your blood clot girl while I worry about people business. You're a Junja. Can't you know how you grow over here so with your green up cells. You're full of blood clot here and Junja, bitch. Yes, stinking bitch. Where you come from? Where you come from, you cloud chaser? You think some mama gonna clown you? You think some mama got your butt? I got you, you cuss me out. Mama's gonna be your best friend. Stinking bitch. I friend your blood clot. No, go suck your mother. You know how long me know? Me no puss before me no mama. Me no puss before me no mama. Me never come over here look friend. You look friend. You're looking friend. You're looking friend. You're looking friend, not me. When mama meet me have my fucking followers again. You understand? She never meet me with no 1,000 followers. All right, let the 4 people stay upon my life because I'm in a cloud chase like you, bitch. Me not have to wind up in front of blood clot and skin up my pussy in front of the camera for blood clot cloud. Me not have to take up people problem for blood clot cloud. Me not have to take up, me not have to turn a blood clot drunja. Me not have to drunja where blood clot grow up on bread and food. You're a drunja. That's why fly up in your pussy. That me I tell you. Drunja stinking word. Where you come from? Where you come from? Look how you make problem worse. Look how you make problem worse for a girl, because a girl will go get them teeth lick out because of you this morning. But where you come over here, so about the people? Where you come over?
Lick out that teeth no day nor more teeth to stop that.
All right, okay. Anyway, puss. My God.
Go answer my auntie, my chiguan. You come like she don't know who me to post that. You just keep on.
Well, it doesn't matter, cause guess what? Right is right and wrong is wrong.
Anyway,
you come over here bother me. Why you
you
come over here bother me for?
We are 18.
Why you come over here bother me for? Me did I bother you?
No, you bother me.
You did I bother you? Push no, so me never over here bother nobody. So me never bother you. So if Puss one blood clot mad with me because me cause people who bother me, then that is Puss problem. That's a Puss blood clot bad problem. And that me I try to tell you, nobody can program me. I'm not afraid of nobody.
Puss over here, so watch all your talk.
I'm not cussing Puss, because Puss me have respect for Puss already. And Puss know that. You come over here fuck with me, so you get what you get. You cannot fuck with people, expect people to not chat to you. Who the fuck is you? Who is you? Who is you for me show that respect?
Yeah, me not want to respect from you.
Alright, so go suck yourself, so what you chat to me for? Why you waste your time to chat to me for? Since you're all these things, what the fuck you bother me for? What the fuck you chat to me for then?
Because I wanted to.
Why?
I like when you get mad.
Okay, so you're going. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get ready so I can go to my business and drive my BMW. And what you can do, you can sit up on yourself. You can sit up on this and chat me all fucking day. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Goodbye, boring bitches. Y'all be so mad.
When I got bread here again in the kitchen. I'm going to inbox and give me information. All right, Mama, we're going to start the live.
Sweet from a sugar, sweet honey from a honey. Anytime you want it, girl, you better give me. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, bye. You not hear me?